It isn't.
What?
You don't want to know what it is.
Wait.
It's a dead bird.
Take it back to sit.
Babe, don't. Listen, man.
Huh?
If this goes right, I've got a YouTube sensation.
Catch.
It's like it's plucking it.
Yeah?
It's like it's plucking it.
What makes me? I feel sick.
Don't look.
I don't have to look, James. I can need him. Must be the mountain.
It is. Round here it's the norm. Round here down it's the norm. This is what you call survival in the city.
Yeah. I'm saying nothing about that. But why is it different? America. Okay. It'll be in a minute.
It's nature.
Yeah?
It's just nature, how it works. Babe, you're not going to scare it.
I'm not scared.
That guy was about a foot away from it and it never even moved.
I'm looking for the bloody phone.
What you looking for, doll?
My phone.
Your phone?
Not my phone.
I don't think I've got it. Is it in your pocket?
I hate this bag. You're gonna be a star on my phone.
What's up though? I got some good photos. This is fucking interesting, this like.
It's sadistic.
Huh?
It's sadistic.
It's what?
Sadistic.
It's not sadistic.
It's a pretty seagull.
It's, yeah, I know, but
It's
it's,
a bloody water rat.
but end of the day, yeah, it is a water rat, but it's showing you what they're doing for survival. They're not living off fish like they should. They're living off every single disgusting thing. Even
It's killed that bird.
it's killed that bird and it's eating it. People are walking past, maybe about a foot, 6 inch from it, and it's not even bothering. It's
Look at all them.
see, somebody's just run by there and nah, they're interested.
It's a seagull with a bird.
With a bird, we're not too sure. I've got the full video of it though, eh?
What? Did they just fight?
No, it just come in, it flew down, and it started eating it.
Oh, right, so it was
It's
already
so-
dead, was it?
Yeah, it must have been dead. It's either caught it or it was already dead and it's in its mouth. It's come down and it's just ripped all the feathers off it and it's just started eating it.
So it's just plucked it.
Yeah, I've been videoing it for 15
Are you
minutes.
still on it now?
Yeah,
Am I on your video?
yeah.
No, but
Oh,
sorry,
yeah, when you
sorry,
walk past, yeah.
sorry,
Oh no, you're alright, it doesn't matter.
Didn't mean to.
Oh no, it's alright because the beauty about it with video on it is people have been going backwards and forwards there and it hasn't bothered, it hasn't moved there.
It's not been fussed at all.
No.
I mean, it paused a little bit when I went past, I think.
Yeah,
but not flinching.
That's
just
what it
waiting.
does. It just looks when people come past. It just looks at them just to say like,
Yeah, really
Piss-
wants to know is it going to challenge me for it?
yeah, piss off. This is mine. Not
Has,
yours.
has anybody actually gone up to it?
No, not yet.
This guy's not noticed yet. He's
See what it was. It's just walked off there. See what I mean?
he's protecting it. Keep a distance. It's safe. It's all right. Yeah. Just a passerby. That's all it is. That's all it is.
There it is. It's back off again. You see?
It's wildlife on one. This.
This is weird. Eh? I've never seen anything like this with a seagull.
On the Newcastle's tide, the seagull preying upon the poor dead dark bird of unknown description. We will of course be locating the bird at some point, but by then the fucker will have been eaten.
Oh, it's mental. So mental, man.
We just can't believe, because we're from the west coast, and if a seagull was feeding, there'd be a lot of them back. Do you know what I mean? It wouldn't just be the one.
What seagull?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
no,
bit.
there's loads of seagulls
Yeah,
here.
yeah, but on
Yeah,
the west
but-
coast, if
Uh-huh.
there were any prey,
Yeah.
there would be a lot of them about.
Oh no. That would happen here too. It's just that this one's lucky. Often I see squabbles between seagulls because I live on the quayside further on, not by far, maybe about a mile, and there's often cat fights between seagulls,
Yeah.
between seagulls and pigeons, between seagulls and crows, between crows and pigeons, and magpies and seagulls as well. It's almost like they're all constantly battling the air and each other.
I cannot believe
I can't believe how long it's been there doing this.
Has it started to eat the inside bit as well?
Oh yeah. It's been nibbling at the inside.
I've
It's
seen
got
like bits of
through.
innards and stuff like that.
No, I'm saying bits of innards.
Shall I go illuminate it? For the purposes of educational importance.
Are you a doctor?
Oh, there you
I am
lights come
actually.
on.
Oh,
He's a doctor.
What I do, I mean, I love everything about Darwin
It's
and natural history and
yeah, it's
life.
nature, right?
You know, it's
yeah.
you can think it's cruel, but look, that seagull's got, chicks to look after.
Yeah, this is nature. It's at its best there.
I won't illuminate it. I think it might put it off its game. I'll be like, "What up, you bastard?" And it's what you like.
If you look on the screen, you can see like there's bits of red.
See, it's working fast because it knows that it's not got long before somebody passes by that notices that there's carrion. They're vicious as well, We've got some up on the coast on our beaches, up Whitley Bay and Tynemouth.
Yeah.
And if you have, because there's a few beach shacks and fish and chip shops and stuff.
Yeah.
And they've learnt that if you're persistent and aggressive enough, people will just throw you on a chip or a few little chippy bits. And when they finish, they're kind of like vying with each other for position for who's going to get first dibs on before and the waitresses are sharp there because they know that if they're not, the gulls are on the plate straight away.
I've seen them in Brighton on Brighton and in Blackpool where they've actually come down and took your chips out your hand.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I might have seen somebody do that on the quayside with somebody's ice cream. It was a little girl, and she started to cry. It was kind of like it was both really sad and funny at the same time. And it was the seagull just had it. It's like, I'm having it. They're a bit thick, though, seagulls, I think. They're strong and they're aggressive, but as a bird, I think they're a bit not very bright. Whereas your crow,
Well, yeah, they're not very bright because they'll just say, basically, all we class them as is a sea rat.
oh god, it's a little.
Yeah, because they'll eat anything.
It's a little harsh, yeah, but these are not the only gulls that we have. We do have seagulls that live the proper life of a seagull as well.
Oh yeah.
They're at sea and eat nothing but fish,
pure fish and stuff
yeah,
like that. Yeah,
and they're at sea for like days at a time and stuff. These are just urbanised gulls that have acclimatised to our life.
And that's what I'm thinking. When we're on the west coast, it is different. I've never seen anything like that.
Yes.
Ever. I mean, can I be honest with you, madam? And I've not either.
No.
I mean,
This is the
rarity. I mean, this is why we've got this.
You could not believe when it
It's just the only problem with that's happening at the moment is the light's fading so much.
Do you want to go and illuminate it and dare risk scaring it off?
I don't think we're going to get it that way because if you do, it'll.
I mean, I could do my duck walk to get in there.
We'll have a go. If you want to have a try, we'll have a try.
I'm going to leave my glasses and my headphones just on here.
Yeah, man, no problem. As safe as I was. Go, where's the duck phone? I've lost it. There it is. No, it's because it's too near. It's not looking. No, it's not looking because it's getting too. As soon as you get too near, it walks away.
Yeah, is it coming back? I've just...
Hang on, it's just yeah, it's coming back now. Yeah.
Right, sweet, yeah. I didn't give it any kind of threatening behaviour at all.
Yeah.
And, but it was just too close. It just wasn't.
Yeah.
The initial stop was all right, but I just moved within a certain critical, and it was an odd thing because it's a bright light moving towards it. If you think about it,
Yeah, true.
that's probably like a strange thing for it to have to deal with. It's like, what the fuck?
We tried.
I know. Sorry, buddy.
Hey, don't worry, man, don't worry. It's just a pity the light's fading, eh?
It is. You're still getting some of it, and you might be able to do something on the computer with it, maybe.
Well, this is one of the new Samsung, so it's got that many things you can do with it. You might be able to brighten it up a bit.
Yeah, exactly. You just need to kind of speak to the right person, or if you're computer savvy, you'll be.
Well, I'm not too bad.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, you guys are definitely West Coast. That's very Carlisle-y, isn't it? All around that way.
Yeah. Where do you work at then?
Whitley Bay.
Oh, Whitley Bay. Oh, because I usually come over Newcastle for like, because I've had a few operations and that.
All right. RVI.
Do you know Dan Hollyman?
Hollyman. You know what? The name rings a bell. How cool? Why would I? Is he an orthopaedic surgeon?
Yeah, he does like it does all your nerves and my neck and stuff like that.
All right. So he's a neurosurgeon.
Yeah, he's a good friend. I've got on quite well with Dan.
He's in his 40s, I reckon, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think he's probably maybe the year above me from medical school.
Yeah.
The name sounds familiar, definitely.
Well, I'm trying to think. I was under. When I first went,
Sanderson?
you maybe know Mr. Crawford.
Crawford, yeah.
When you saw him, he was a big guy. He just looked like a big, massive teddy bear.
I think he might have been around when I was actually a medical student, but not that long though. Like I think he maybe retired before when I was a first year or second year. I think he was around. But the thing is, I only really got to know the surgical doctors' names once I started working. Like, you know, as opposed to being a med student. But listen, buddy, I need to get back and get some food. But it's been nice chatting. Good luck.
Good luck.
If you're around and I see you again, say hello.
I will.
If you say,
don't worry, man.
You're the
seagull. I like the shades.
If you say seagull, dude, I'll be like, whoa, I've got you straight away.
Yeah, man. See you later, dude. Thank you, man. Oh, that's good.
Lasar,